English textbook if clauses, and already we have discussed children the page number 160 match the following. Now see children, same page number 160, C Roman. Let us discuss children. C Roman, first one they gave eat too much or feel sick. Feel sick. See children, when we are adding if you eat too much, if you eat too much, you feel sick. You will feel sick. You will feel sick. In the same way children, second one, they have given us walk slowly or miss the bus. Now we have to add children if clause here. What we have to add? If clause. If you walk slowly, if you walk slowly, you will miss the bus. Here we are discussing about the if sentences. You will miss the bus. If you walk slowly, you will miss the bus. Coming to the third one children, miss the bus late for school. Miss the bus late for school. Late for school. If you miss the bus, if you miss the bus, if you miss the bus, you will be late for school. You will be late for school. If you miss the bus, you will be late for school. Coming to the fourth one children, they gave a study every night, pass the test. Study every night. Study every night, pass the test. Pass the test. If you study every night, if you study every night, you will pass the test. You will pass the test. See children, in this way we are writing an if clauses. What we are writing? If clauses. Let us discuss children the fifth one, what they have given to us. Fifth sentence. Let us discuss the fifth sentence. Okay. They gave fifth one children, forget your lunch. Forget your lunch. Forget your lunch. Be hungry. Be hungry. If you forget your lunch, you will be hungry. If you forget your lunch, you will be hungry. You will be hungry. If you forget your lunch, you will be hungry. Coming to the sixth one children, they gave eat lots of vegetables. Eats lots of lots of vegetables, if you eat lots of vegetables, you will be healthy and strong. You will be healthy and strong. Okay. Coming to the seventh children, they gave Nana get wet in the rain, catch cold. Get wet in the rain, catch cold. Get wet in the rain, catch cold. Catch cold. If you get wet in the rain, you will catch cold. Okay, children. If you get wet, if you get wet in the rain, if you get wet in the rain, you will catch cold. You will catch cold. If you get wet in the rain, you will catch cold. Next children, eighth one, talk and disturb others in the class. Talk and disturb others. Disturb others in the class. Get punished in the class. Get punished. Okay, now let us write the answer, children. If you talk and disturb others in the class, if you talk and disturb others in the class, you will get punished. You will get punished. You will get punished. Okay, children. These are the eighth one. Now two more they gave children to us, Nana. See the ninth one given to you here. Do not get enough sleep. Feel tired. If you do not get enough sleep, you will feel tired. Listen to loud music for too long, get headache. If you listen to loud music for too long, you will get headache. Okay, children. In this way, Nana, we have now clear clarification about the if clauses. Okay, ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం if clauses గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాము. Yes or no? Did we learn or not? Still any doubt to anybody regarding the if clause, children? I hope your doubts all clarified. Now see, Nana, they have given homophones. Now let me to explain, children, what are the homophones. Just a brief explanation of homophones. అంటే ఏమిటి అసలు అవి? Okay. Homophones are the words, children, that are exactly the same but have different spelling and meaning. Suppose our. This is also our. They gave an exercise and they told to write same pronunciation words. First one, second one, page number 117, Nana. Homophones. Same sound but different spellings, different meanings. Sound, pronunciation same. Homophones ante pronunciation Nana same, spelling different and meaning different. Okay, these such type of words are known as here, here, here. Both is pronunciation same. Heard, heard. Here if you see children, hour means manadi, hour means 1 hour, ganta. Here ante vinadam, here ante ikkada. Herd, a group of sheep. Here herd means vinadam. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where, where. Here where means ekkada, ikkada W-E-A-R means veskovam. Nose, nose means you all know children, nose, nose ante telavadam. Okay. Next one, 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 one ante gelavadam, one means only one. I ante myself, and again one more, I means our eyes. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right ante correct అని అర్థం అమ్మ, రైట్ అంటే రాయడం అని అర్థం. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ నన్ను దేర్, దేర్, there, there. Both are having different spelling and different pronunciation. Sorry, different meaning and different spelling, but the same pronunciation. So what we have learned, homophones are the words, children, which have same pronunciation even though their meaning and the spelling is different. So here we have completed our chapter. Have a nice day.